slime.
Keep going. You gotta go.
I get 15.
Yeah, you better be looking at the numbers though.
Cool.
Santa.
Where are you at? What number are you on? 4, 5?
11. Look at.
Put them off to the side. Keep going. You got a lot of days.
You forgot 8.
Go get 8.
Okay.
You know.
It's okay. It's okay. This was 1 anyways.
Okay. So this is 1. I think that's more than 1 though. You get me?
I think it's the ones that fell from up here.
Yeah. Another one. There's another one. Yeah. Oh, we need a 16. Anyway, keep going.
Hold on. Better make sure you're poking the right one.
Oh, I poked the right one.
You poked the right one? Okay. Hold on.
Next to it is 17. That's all we can get in there.
Hold on.
17. 17.
Okay, that's enough for today.
Oh, can you clear off the table first?
Yay.
Put everything on that table.
Next is this advent calendar, which is 10 days. My daughter's gonna open up hers. Day number 2. Where's day number 2? Oh, there it is. Go ahead.
Oh, it is this with makeup.
Yeah. I am going to open up day 2. I'm sure it's going to be the same, but I would like to just open it up for me tomorrow. Yay, it's the same. Let me pop it out. So my son is going to open up more days from his little advent calendar. We're trying to catch up, and this is a slime advent calendar. We got it from Amazon. So I'm gonna let him open up a couple more days to try and catch up. Go ahead. Go ahead. You're fine. See what it is? You're fine, just anything?
Limit.
Let me see. That's cool. Put those down and then try to do number 16.
What it is. It's slime limit.
Cool.
It's blue.
And then try day number 3.
Be very careful.
Go ahead. Try day number 14.
Slime.
Yay. So these are the ones that he opened up today. Here's what we opened up for day 2.
Yep.
So this is the slime he ended up getting. It has little cubes inside.
Ooh, I got.
So these are the items that we pulled out for day 3 of the advent calendar for us. And I'm excited. My son got some cute little slime with some cubes inside. And see you tomorrow.
Bye.